Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Gmail. Make sure your account is updated and enable Gemini in Google settings so features appear. Once done, grant permissions for reading messages, composing drafts, and accessing calendar entries. These let Gemini suggest replies and schedule emails. Next, set your language and tone preferences so suggestions match your voice. This is essential because Gemini tailors content based on permissions and preference choices, and enabling it now avoids interruptions later when you begin composing with AI assistance. You now use Gemini inside the Compose window. Click the Gemini icon to draft, rewrite, or brainstorm subject lines. Provide context like recipient role, goal, and key facts so output is accurate. Make sure to review and edit suggestions. Gemini speeds drafting but can misinterpret nuance. Once Gemini generates text, use commands such as shorten, formalize, or add bullet list. Make iterative edits until tone and length match your needs. This process saves time and keeps control of final wording and accuracy. You finish by reviewing Gemini's suggestion. Verify dates, names, and facts, then send or schedule the message. Once comfortable, create templates and smart replies using Gemini to automate recurring emails. This increases consistency and saves minutes each day. If Gemini produces incorrect or irrelevant text, reset the conversation context, give clearer prompts, and double-check permissions. Finally, make sure offline mode and sync are working. Otherwise, suggestions may lag, and retrain preferences for better future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.